Hello friends, welcome back to our channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we will introduce you to a UI5 spreadsheet importer. So I found this great UI5 component. It's very simple and very easy to use. This is a UI5 custom component that was built to upload spreadsheet within UI5 application. So let's get started. It's a very simple and easy component that you can integrate in your existing UI5 application. This is the official page of Spreadsheet Importer, spreadsheetimporter.com. We'll go through the key features first. As you can see, this component can be used in various SAP UI5 versions and can also integrate to the backend with standard UI5 APIs. It is also compatible with CAP, RAP, SCGW, and ECC or S4 as well. It is in multiple languages. It is very easy to implement. And finally, it says no files are sent to the backend, only the files are read on the front end and only the data is sent to the backend. Sounds very simple and useful. Let's go and try it now. Once you click on try it now, you'll have a landing page showing 4 cards. Landing page was the one that you saw just now. Documentation, we won't go through that right now. We have a sample application that is using OData version 2 as well as OData version 4. Both of them are similar. We just open OData version 2 for display. This is how the application looks like. But the main functionality is this one that we want to test. Let's click on spreadsheet upload, click on browse. This is a dummy Excel sheet that I have uploaded. If your Excel sheet column names does not match with the column names of this table, it will give you some error, but let's ignore this and continue anyway. Click on upload. And our data is loaded. These are invalid data because we don't have these column names in an Excel spreadsheet. So this is how you can upload an Excel file. Looks pretty simple, pretty easy. It has 2 licenses. One is a free license and another is a pro license. For documentation of this library, you can easily go back to this homepage, click on documentation, and you'll see how to integrate your spreadsheet component into your UI5 application. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.